now we do it well. Then a line goes to the right. Now we made an L just right.
A little car drives straight, then stops. It turns right and never flops.
Zoom and turn, it's fun to play. We wrote the L the easy way. The ball rolls down, then rolls to the side. Like the letter L, it's a fun ride. Just 2 lines and then we cheer. Look, the L is finally here. The snail goes down, then turns so slow. It leaves a trail